got my Benevolent box this week. Oh, the last box was so good. If you haven't watched that video, I'll link it down below. 2 of the products that I got out of there have become staples in the past 30 days. Staples. I love them, and I will talk about those 2 products in my monthly favorites at the end of March, so stay tuned for that video. One of them is so good. I'm doing a couple of girls' makeup for prom, and I used it on one of the girls. It's beautiful. But if you'd like to see what's in this month's box, just keep watching. Alright, so for those of you that don't know, Benevolent is a subscription box. Similar to Ipsy, Birchbox. What is that other one that I love and adore but had to give up? Oh yeah, BoxyCharm. It's similar to those in that you get it once a month, and this is more like BoxyCharm in that it's full-size products. And the retail value, I opened this up already. I did it on camera. My battery was dead. So, I know what's in here. And the box itself retails for over $100. If you are a subscriber to my channel, you know that back in January, I decided to go cruelty free, and it's been a journey. It's been hard. It's really been a pain in the ass. But it's for a good cause. So, you know, I can deal. But anyway, Benevolent box just makes it so simple because I know the products that I get in my box are pure, they're good for you, and they are always cruelty free. Okay, so let's see what's in this month's box. First, we got a little coupon card, 20% off a purchase at Luminate Beauty. I've never used Illuminate products, but there's one in here. Then you get your little card that tells you what's in the box, what the retail value is. You know the drill if you get subscription boxes. So let's start with the first thing, which is super duper cool. Super cool. Check this out. What do you think this could be? It's a face mask. How freaking cool is that? Okay, it's called I Love Body Stuffed Rose Oatmeal Face Mask. It retails for $7, which I think is an amazing price. It's gentle, hydrating, exfoliating mask or a dry cleanser. I'm so trying this tonight. It is for all skin types. It is a dry mix of rice flour, oats, and roses that can be activated with any liquid of your choice. That is so cool. Try it with honey, yogurt, almond milk, coconut oil, or plain old water. It also says you can add it to your cleanser to make an exfoliating face cleanser. This is freaking cool. I cannot wait to try it. The next product we have is a blush. Lippy Girl. It's got the little cruelty-free bunny. I love when products put that on there. This is a cute color. I'm actually wearing it now because when I filmed the video earlier today, I demoed it for you. I don't really need more blush, but it is beautiful. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. This retails for $26, which is a little steep if you ask me for this blush, but it's made with highest quality of purity mineral pigments and all natural ingredients. These blushes are smooth, highly concentrated, and potent, and I would absolutely flipping agree. Apply a small amount on the apples of your cheek and it will last all day. $26. Next we have, oh, this was another one I was excited about. Luminate, this was the coupon card we got in the beginning. Luminate Vitamin C Lighten Up Serum. Now, I have yet to find a vitamin C serum that agrees with my skin. They usually irritate them really bad. But I'm excited to try this one because it also has hyaluronic acid in it. And it says it has healing properties of aloe vera and witch hazel. So that might be a combo that might work for me. So we're going to put this to the test. This retails for $9. $9, y'all. I've never seen a vitamin C serum for $9. But store in a cool, dark place. Okay. Next we have makeup sponges. I love me some makeup sponges, y'all. Alright, so we got two. These are pricey makeup sponges, $44. They're curved. They're actually, if you look at them from this angle, they look exactly like a beauty blender, the same size and everything. I have a beauty blender here, so if you look at it from this angle, it's almost identical. Yes, this one's dirty, no judgment. They're almost identical, but the cool thing about this one is you turn it and it's got this flat edge. So I think that would be perfect for like under the eyes and so forth. The mini one is the exact same with the flat edge. What's really cool about these blenders are they're made with non-latex foam, which is important, but they're infused with charcoal to prevent bacteria from developing. So that is some cool shit. Can't wait to try it. Retails for $44 though. That's a pricey little chunk of change. Okay, what do we got next? We got a lipstick. It's already out of the box because, did I mention I filmed this video once already today? But we have this Zooey, I don't know how to say it, Organic Flora lipstick. Retails for $27.50. It's a rich, creamy, certified organic lipstick. Soothing and nurturing, rich in color. It has vitamins A and E, aloe vera. It's a beautiful color. I'm wearing I not should have put that over a matte liquid lipstick, but you know, what are you gonna do? I like it. Alright, awesome box. I cannot wait to try these items. I will let you know how they work, how they do. We'll talk about it. We won't just do an unboxing and leave you hanging. Alright, if you're not already subscribed, subscribe. I always copy Laura Lee. Always. Hit the notification bell. Until next time, my loves.